Brian Srebinsky. I'm the Vice President and Chief Financial Officer. I've been at Deere Hitachi for 27 years. Back in 1988, John Deere and Hitachi Construction formed Deere Hitachi to build excavators for the Americas. We really brought together John Deere's distribution and their complete product portfolio of other construction equipment, along with Hitachi's excavator technologies.
Deere Hitachi is a 50-50 joint venture between John Deere and Hitachi, and that joint venture plays out in 3 manufacturing facilities located throughout North and South America. The Kernersville location is in the southeast. Certainly from a ports of entry standpoint, it allows us access logistically, but it also, the southeast is a big growing area of the country, and so there's a lot of construction projects in that area. Coming to the forestry side of the business, we're located here in Langley, British Columbia, because this is really where a bulk of the forestry excavator business resides. The third is in Brazil, and that factory services the South American market, and both forestry and construction excavators come out of that facility.
You know, you can go out on the line and talk to anybody that works here in the office or on the floor, and you ask them what the #1 thing is at Deere Hitachi, and I guarantee you they're going to say safety.
Nobody wants the person that you just had a good laugh with. Nobody wants that person hurt. I mean, not just because of the numbers, but because that person is a friend, so you just look out for that person.
We all have a real commitment to safety, and to me, safety is Deere Hitachi's cornerstone.
My name's Lou. I've been working at Deere Hitachi for about 6 years now. I'm very proud to work here. I'm very proud of what we do. Again, the mindset of Kaizen, continual improvement, I think that's something that really resonates with me, and just wanting to say, how can we continually be better? How can we be growing? How can we, continue to try and make our product something that stands out?
Everybody has the ability here to take an idea and make a small improvement, and you don't need a whole team, you don't need a lot of red tape or infrastructure to do that. It's encouraged amongst employees to come up with those ideas, make those small improvements, and put them in action.
There are over 20 manufacturers within the hydraulic excavator market globally, and so to differentiate yourself from those competitors, quality is the #1 way to do that.
Everybody's got a common goal here, and that common goal is customer satisfaction. And when I say that, I don't mean just the end user. I mean everybody here is a customer to somebody, because we don't want to pass a bad product to the next guy or next woman in line. We know that we're all in this together, because we have really good people that work here, and they take pride in what they do.
Quality is something we push. Every little detail, everything is quality on top of quality on top of quality. Every time I see a Deere machine, I tell my wife and my kids, and then my kids, "Oh, okay, Dad, yeah, you did that one too. You helped do that one." So we point to it. It's almost like part of my creation. I have a hand in it. So I want to make sure in every way possible. Again, that's where the quality comes in. Because the more Deere machines you see, the more those Hitachi machines you see. That speaks for us. And as we see the numbers increasing, it's telling you the name, it speaks for itself.